learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Guoxing Township in Nantou County takes its name from Zhang Chenggong, the Ming Dynasty loyalist whose official name was Guoxingye. After the town was heavily damaged by an earthquake in 1999, the Fight for Chenggong Cultural Festival was created to foster a resilient community spirit. The main event features teams racing to push a statue of Zhang Chenggong past the finish line.
Hey, what's up? It's time for Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine. And here in Taiwan, there's a lot of Hakka culture spread all over different counties and townships. And maybe today, Leo can take us to another place and introduce about the culture there and maybe events that are happening.
没问题啊。那我今天就帶大家去南投縣桂香鄉。
南投縣，我知道南投縣。
對。
南投 County 的哪里？
國姓鄉。
我知道。This township is actually derived from a very well-known leader back in the 1600s here in Taiwan, Koxinga.
國姓爺，桂香雅。
That's right， 也就是郑成功。
对对对，其实就是对这个台湾有很大的贡献，所以我们就很尊敬他，
就命名国姓乡了。
对。
好，那国姓乡有什么特色？客家人的百分比是不是很大？
那边大概70%以上是客家人。
This township has about 70% Hakka people.
今天要介绍的就是国姓抢成功这个活动。
哦，所以还是有一个跟郑成功有关的那种命名的活动 ，OK? And they have an event that is also derived again from that leader Koxinga called 抢成功。
抢成功。
抢成功 ，OK? That means we're going to be fighting for Koxinga. 要怎么抢成功呢？
是在我们的921大地震之后呢，其实南投县它受创是很严重的，
是。
所以为了鼓舞人心呢，所以我们就办了一个桂香抢成功的活动，就是取这个抢成功，希望鼓励大家能够奋发向上，不要再因为受到这个地震的挫折之后呢，就一蹶不振了。
没错，要好好站起来，对不对？
对。
Okay, so because this area was very heavily affected by the 921 earthquake about a decade ago, and they developed this event, which kind of uses the name of Koxinga to actually do a lot of promotions, a lot of fundraising, so that this township could stand on their feet again and move on after the disaster that took place. 好，那我们现在来蕊一下今天所教的一些客语哦，就是南投县 ，that's Nantou County.
南投县
and then the township is called 国姓乡
桂香鄉
Hyong is a township. And then finally, this event, 抢成功 That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.